Hello sweetcorns, welcome back to Corn. I hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to share with you all some of my favorite Samsung features, not only Tab A9 Plus. If you have any Samsung device, you will be able to use these features. So let's start. First is this quick open app. By pressing on the power button twice, you can open one app without even unlocking your device. For example, here I said YouTube, so whenever I double press on the power button, it's gonna directly take me to the YouTube app. To do that, first go to the settings, then advanced features, side button, and toggle on the open app option here. Here we have the options to quick launch camera or open app, and by clicking on this settings icon, you will be able to choose the app that you want to quick open. Here to show you all, I am choosing translate app, and now whenever I'll double press on the power button, it's gonna directly take me to the translate app. Next, on the same interface, we have the motions and gestures. Click open and you will see gestures like double tap to turn on screen or double tap to turn off screen, etc. If you want to use these gestures, just turn them on. Now you can double tap on your home screen to lock or unlock your device, like I showed here. Next, on the same advanced features interface, we have accessories. So basically what it does is, if you are using a flip cover like mine, you can turn off and turn on screen whenever you open or close the cover. Next feature is one of my absolute favorite. Is also in the advanced features interface, screenshots and screen recordings. As a digital artist, I like to record my drawing process. In that case, this screen recording features comes in handy. You can start recording or take screenshot here from quick panel, and to customize the recording quality or to change the type of the screenshots, you have to go to the settings and advanced features, then screenshots and screen recordings. Here we have bunch of options that you can customize, like video quality as I said earlier, or if you want to record the sound or not, where to save the file after you done recording, etc. To take screenshots, go to quick panel and click on this screenshot button here. It's gonna capture the whole page you are currently in. To edit the screenshot, click on this edit tool. You can draw, write or highlight over it, and you can save this by clicking on this save icon. This screenshot gonna be saved on your gallery, so in the future you can access it. If you want to directly save the screenshot without editing it, you can turn off the toolbar by toggling off this show toolbar after capturing option here. Now whenever you will take a screenshot, it won't be showing you the edit option anymore. Next is edge panels. To turn on this feature, first go to settings, then display, then edge panels, and toggle on this here. To customize your edge panels, click on it, then on the panels. Here you can select what panels you want to show, like for example apps, smart select, tools, clipboard, etc. And the same way you can also customize the handle as well. You can change the color of the handle or the transparency, size, width and the position. Since I am right-handed, I'll set this handle on my right side. If you are left-handed, you can set this on the left side like I showed here. You can also add or remove the most used apps or the important apps to the edge panels by clicking on this pen tool here. And you can also select what panels you want to show by clicking on the setting icon you can see here. On the same display interface, we have taskbar. If you turn on this feature, it's going to show you your recent apps down here. You can customize the number of the apps that you want to show by clicking on the show recent apps option here. But personally, I'm not a big fan of this feature because whenever I am working on this tab, my hand accidentally keep touching on the recent apps and it's annoying every time. I have to go back again, so I don't like this one. Next, under the taskbar, we have navigation bar. Click open and here you can customize these three buttons. You can change the order of these and can also change the positions of these like on the right side or on the left side or in the center. And here we have options to set navigation bar as buttons or gestures. Toggle on these swipe gestures if you prefer that more. I like the buttons more because it's easy and simple. Next feature is also in the display section, touch sensitivity. I think everyone should turn this on, especially if you have screen protector on like mine. Next is font size and style. You can find this also in the display section. As the name suggests, you can change the font of your device. You can download new fonts. My favorite font is this one. Next feature is the one that I use the most, multitasking. For example, let's open Notes app in the split screen view from the edge panels. And on the right side, let's open YouTube. Now you can work on both of these apps at the same time. You can watch videos and take notes. Not only two apps, you can open up to 3 apps at the same time in split screen view. Just drag the app that you want from edge panels on the screen. And by clicking on this 3 dot option here in the center, you can rotate these apps position as well. Also, by long pressing on these apps, you can swipe them like this. If you want to open more than 3 apps at the same time, you can do that by opening them in pop-up view. The same way, drag them from the edge panels and drop in the center as I showed here. Next, let's say you took a break from your multitasking work and now you want to go back to the same page. You can do that by clicking on the recent apps button here, or you can save the whole page on your edge panels. Open the multitasking page and click on the 3 dot icon here. Next, click on the star icon. We have options to add this to the home screen or to the edge panels. See, it's saved on your edge panels. Now, if you accidentally clear all your recent apps, don't worry, you still have that page saved here. Let's say you are reading something on your device at the night time. In that case, you can turn on the extra dim or the eye comfort shield button here on the quick panel. And by long pressing on the eye comfort shield, you can adjust the color temperature of your screen. Well, we use our device so much, at least we can do this to protect our eyes. So as I was recording this video, see the rain is started. Look. Since we are talking about protecting our eyes, in that category, next feature we have vision enhancement. First go to settings, then accessibility, then color filter. Here we have option to add a color filter all over your screen. You can customize the opacity as well. You can activate the screen mode by clicking on the quick panel and from here on the color filter button, like so. Also you can choose what color of your screen here as well. I'll suggest choose the yellow one. Next feature is related to notes, handwriting to text. Although this tab does not support S Pen as we all know, still I like this feature so much. First open Samsung Notes app and create a new notes by clicking on this icon here. You can take notes by typing or click on this button on the keyboard here. You can write on the blank page like I showed in this video, and your handwriting will turn to text as the name suggests. Instead of writing with your fingers, you can also use a cheap universal stylus like this one I am using here. If you want to know more about this stylus, you can check out this video. In that video I showed you how I use this stylus and more tips and tricks. Next feature is quick panel edit. Well, it's not a favorite feature, I'm just sharing with you all. If you don't know, you can edit these quick panel buttons by clicking on this pen icon here. Then click on the edit, and by long pressing on these buttons you can move them around like so. Next feature is again one of my favorite, is on the lock screen. This feature we got recently, so if you don't know, you can resize or reposition the lock screen clock, and you can go for the no clock look as well. Next is this gallery widget. This is a life-changing feature. First pinch on the home screen and click on the widgets icon here and select gallery widget and add to your home screen. Select one or many images you like, up to 1000 images. You can obviously resize the widget as well. Also, if you haven't already watched my previous video, please check it out guys. In that video I showed you how to create cute aesthetic YouTube banner using Canva, so check it out. Next feature is in the gallery. So for example, open one image in your gallery, then click on this pen icon here to edit. Next on this icon and on the lasso tool. So basically you can create sticker out of your images and use them how you use a sticker. You can also use them on your notes. I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, that's it for this video. And before I end this video, I just quickly wanna mention that I am not a technical person. I am just sharing what I have learned simply by using this tab. So don't accept much from me. And if you know any good features, let me know in the comment section. Also, I think most of the people who own a Samsung device probably know about these features already, But if you are planning on buying a new Samsung device, I hope this video will help you guys at least a little bit. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, stay hydrated, eat well, sleep well, take care of yourself, stay safe. Love you guys. Bye bye. So as you can see guys, it's sunny, but it's actually raining. I don't know what is the weather nowadays, but yeah, thank you so much for watching.